Hi guys, my name is John and I'm the creator and content provider over at CheatSheetPros.com. What I wanted to do with this video is just show you a little bit about us and what we do. So we are a provider of content for daily fantasy sports and sports betting. We provide you with several statistics, picks, plays, and much more. So one of the things I want to do is just show you our website and we can take a look around and show you how to navigate it. So let's go ahead and get the website pulled up real quick. Okay, so up here on the website, it's just CheatSheetPros.com. That's pretty simple. You can see the overview here on the front. It's going to have some screenshots and our most recent articles. And then we also have up here, you can see our login. So this is where your members will log in at. And over here, we've got the sign up tab. So you can go there, click sign up. It'll give you some membership options. If you ever want to try premium out, that would be fantastic. And then we have the Opto tab. So this is where the web optimizer is. If you want to access it once you're a premium member, you can get it there. And then over here we've got the articles. So any of our articles that we post, they're right here. You can go to the website, go up here, click articles, and then scroll down, and it's going to show you all of the articles that we have most recent up top. So you can go look at them, go look at past ones, and whatnot. And then we've got the videos, which is going to be revamped in 2020. And over here on the videos tab, this is where we're going to have videos on how to read the sheets, how to interpret the sheets, what to do with them, how to find plays, also with sports betting, how to use our cheat sheets to find your best sports bets, or even support the theories that you have on some games that you might like. So this is a good overview of the site, kind of what we offer right now. So I want to show you about our other two Facebook groups. We have a free group, and we also have a premium group. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the free group first. So the free group, let's go ahead and pull it up. Okay, you can see up here in the back that it says free, so you know which group you're in, because a lot of our premium members came from our free group at one point in time. So some of this stuff is posted in the premium group that's not in the free group, vice versa. So the biggest thing is, if you don't want to spend any money or sign up, that's perfectly fine. Join our free group. Chat, we post stuff in there, we post plays, I post information on the sheets, and on Thursdays is free premium sheet Thursday. So all baseball season and all basketball season long, I'm going to post the sheets on Thursday. I post them in the morning, I update them in the afternoon. So if you never want to subscribe, that's perfectly fine. Come in there Thursday, get the sheets, play with them. We have several tutorials. It's a lot of fun. And the group is as good as you make it just by providing the feedback that you do. The other group I want to talk about is the premium group. So let's go ahead and pull that one up real quick. Okay, so the premium group. Now this group, you can sign up on the website. We showed you that earlier. There's three things. So the biggest thing people ask me is, what does premium provide me? So one, you get the premium Facebook access, which is our cheat sheets posted twice a day, at least twice a day. We post them in the morning, and then we update them in the afternoon, and then usually again an hour, hour and a half before lock, especially for NBA, because a lot of stuff is changing. So you get your daily cheat sheets for all the sports that we cover every single day. We also have the web optimizer, which we showed you on the website, and we'll have several more videos for that to come forward. And then we also have the Facebook chat group, and it really gets hopping and popping about 60 minutes before lock. And the more people we have in there that are bringing in information and watching lineup changes and locks and starts, it just makes it even better. So I highly recommend it. Right now it's very inexpensive to do, and we take all of that money and we dump it back into the website, the optimizer. We hire programmers to work on stuff and add stuff. Just this last week we had a member who wanted to add a search bar to our web optimizer. So we ended up getting that done. It took him about a week to get it kinked out. But whatever you guys want, that's something we look at to see if it's viable to go ahead and add. There will also be several additional videos in 2020 on how to read the cheat sheets, lineup building, how to use our cheat sheets for sports betting, and they're all going to be availavailable on our website, so I hope you check them out. And this is us, CheatSheetPros.com.